Hey everyone, welcome back to Benidorm with Benidorm Crazy Marcus. It is another absolutely glorious day here in Benidorm. Makes a change from the bad weather we've had as of late. Gonna take you for a journey through the Parc de la Agrera. Come with me and have a look round. Okay guys, just trying something new there. The spin shop. So where we are exactly is in the Auditorio de Iglesias, which of course has the huge stage here which does play host to some absolutely amazing concerts. Some of them being like Pena concerts, gay pride concerts, which will be Benny Beats, the official album by me, Crazy Marcus. That's me guys, is out now with such brilliant songs as Benidorm Forever, Fiesta Forever, Christmas in Benidorm, EDM Dance Anthem, Benidorm Hardstyle Christmas, Fancy Dress Madness. Such great songs on this brilliant album, guys. Total of 10 songs for €10. Brilliant price, guys. Get it now. The link is down below. Perfect Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want to give someone, it's the best gift to give. Benny Beats the album, guys, all made by Crazy Marcus, me. Best album ever. In September, other stuff we've had, Il Divo, Status Quo, Dolly Parton, who? Oh yeah, Susie Quattro, Earth, Wind and Fire, War, MMA as well. Anyway, I'm gonna take you down further into the park. Gonna show you the man himself now. Hopefully this'll work. Hopefully you can see him. There he is, Mr. Julio Iglesias himself. Of course, Jeff arranged to meet Leslie on his date, and Jeff, of course, almost got arrested for sort of having a bit of a funny conversation with Julio. Absolute amazing statue. Now, I'm not entirely too sure if he actually lived in Benidorm. There are rumours he has he used to have a villa somewhere around here apparently. But then again, there's a lot of rumours in Benidorm, to be fair. Yeah, I think he lived in Benidorm most of his life apparently. Whether that's true or not, I can't really say. I mean, other rumours are like Sir Elton John owns a villa in the Tempo building. I mean, not a villa, a penthouse suite. So, basically, that is back where we started, Auditorio. Julio Iglesias. Hopefully you can see that. The sun's quite bright today, but there's a plaque that pretty much says Auditorio Julio Iglesias, and I think unbelievably it was opened by Julio himself in 1995, which, going back quite a few years, I imagine Benidorm has changed a lot since then. Now this park area though, it literally goes on quite a while. It sort of starts down there at Town Hall down at the bottom, and literally just goes right on all the way round past the Plaza de Toros. I will zoom you out a bit here. Sorry guys. Hang on. There we are, I'll fix it. And you can see nature in here sometimes. You do get the odd squirrel now and then. Whether I'll be lucky to see some today, I don't know. I don't really think it is the squirrel season yet. Someone's lost the kite there by the looks of it, if you can see that. Not sure how good this is coming out, guys, but I'm gonna try get you a bit more zoom again. You can just about make out Primavera Park apartments in the distance there. Absolute smashing apartment hotel place. I'm trying to work out, is that where Nova Cocktail Bar is, like on the roof of the Primavera apartments? Zoom back out. Oh, that's the brightness. There you do have a absolutely huge children's play area, which all the local kids always love. You regularly see them after school on there. And 2 public toilets. I will say they're not the cleanest in Benidorm, but I mean, I've seen worse. I've seen dirtier toilets here in Benidorm anyhow. Back up them steps you can get to Avenida de Rufasa, or Rusafa as I believe it is pronounced. Oh, well, we're gonna say they've done away with the zip line there for the kids, but still there, if you can see that. God, the sun is so bright today. Hard to believe, past few days since last week we haven't really had the best of weather, and now the weather is finally starting to get back to what we're used to again. Touch wood. We are still getting the occasional report of like rain, thunderstorms, but to be fair, I can't really see any rain. I mean, it is going a bit overcast back that way towards like Calpe way, towards the Benidorm tram station, so bit worrying really, but I mean, looking at the sky as it is now, beautiful blue skies, so fingers crossed it stays that way for the rest of the month. I mean, some big events in Benidorm coming up soon. We've got of course, Cheltenham, the horse racing, which I mean, Benidorm's always busy for that. Every year people come over for Cheltenham. No idea why, to be honest. I don't really see the point in coming all the way to Benidorm to watch a horse race. Here you have the smaller auditorium. This is where they do also host some award ceremonies for pennies, and one of the crazy events with pennies goes on in here, the broom football, which I believe Mike went to watch last year, was it?
Yeah, well, let's have a go then.
I mean, how on earth can you play football with a broom? But, they manage. Coming on to the beautiful Adjumimento Town Hall, and it looks like they're doing some work down here. Thank God I put sunglasses on today. It's blowing a bit of dust up. I'm not too sure what they are actually doing down here, to be honest. So, they're just redoing the paving slabs a bit, or that. If you can see, that looks like they're redoing some of the drainage area as well. Which, I mean, there's a big problem in Benidorm. Honestly, don't know why. Like, a place that's visited by tons of people on a regular basis, and we have like some of the worst drainage problems ever. Jesus, that windy, like, it's blown the construction fences. I've had to take my hat off as well so it don't blow away. I'd be screwed if my hat blew away. Jesus. No. They're changing the drainage. So like, it used to be like a full drain grate thing, but now they're changing it to something like this. I'll show you Town Hall as well. That's our main Town Hall. Like, weddings go on, they have art exhibitions. Most of the concerts happen at this place as well. One of the ones that stands out is Warrior Bears. Believe they're top DJs. They've done a concert here. Then of course, turning back round looking at the bridge there, if you could call that a bridge. They've got all the lights down there now. I do believe they can actually code them to have different stuff on. So like, say for Benidorm, I think they can code them to say like Felice Benidorm then 2025 or like whatever year it is, which pretty cool. Anyway, I think it's going to be time to end off. Yapped on a bit. What bad? Jesus, I was also meant to get that. I'm hoping you can see that, guys. There's a play area on top of the hotel. Looks like a children's play area water park type thing as well.
No, it's
mad.
Hotel or apartments, is it?
Hotel. That's the Magic Crystal place where we had the Good to Go bag the other day. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed that video. I've worked out why I ain't actually got more zoom on here. I think you got to do it before you start the video, like it, something you press on, then it makes the screen a bit bigger, then you got more zoom. Bit stupid, but still, more zoom is more zoom. Not that it makes much difference, but yeah. Hope you liked the spin shot as well. First time I've featured that in a video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Adios.